Hello. If you're learning Arabic as an English speaker, you might come across some letters that don't exist in the English language. I will tell you some examples and hopefully give you an initial idea on how to pronounce them. And please don't focus on the spelling or how the word is written in Arabic. For now, just focus on the pronunciation. One of these letters is Ain, A-I-N, Ain, Ain, which is pronounced from the back of the throat. What you see is A-I-N, but try to get the Ain from the back of the throat. Ain, Ain. An example is Asal, which means honey. Asal. It can also be used for flirtation, calling someone ya Asal or Asal. Another letter is Ha, pronounced as a sharp exhale from the throat. Example, and you guys will love this one, is hummus. Hummus. So please stop saying hummus. It's not pronounced hummus, it's hummus. And for those who don't know, hummus is chickpeas in English. There's also the Kha, which looks exactly like a Ha, but with a dot on top. Some words with Kha are khudra, which is vegetables, khudra, or khiyar, cucumber, khiyar. Now there's the Sad and the Dad. I know they look like sad and dad, but hear me out. Sad, Sad, dad, dad. You see the difference? And just to make it easier for you, you will never say Sad or dad when you speak Arabic. It's just how the letter sounds when you say it alone. I'm gonna give you a good example now that will cover all the letters mentioned so far, which is Sabah al-Khair ya Asal. Good morning, honey. Sabah al-Khair ya Asal. Sabah is morning, Khair is good, and ya Asal, which means honey. Sabah al-Khair ya Asal. I know learning to pronounce these letters can be challenging for English speakers, but it's an important part of learning the Arabic language. With practice and dedication, it's possible to master these unique sounds and hopefully become fluent in Arabic. Thank you for watching. Shukran.